Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dive deep into the exciting world of corporate filings. Today, we're cracking open Super Microcomputer's latest report, and trust me, it's a bit of a roller coaster. It's like they were playing a game of catch-up with the SEC, and the deadline was the bottom of the ninth inning. Super Microcomputer, or SMCI, had a little hiccup. They didn't file some important paperwork on time. The reports were late, and that got them a warning from Nasdaq, the stock exchange they're listed on. It's like getting a detention slip from the principal, but the good news is they managed to turn things around just in the nick of time. Let's dig into how they pulled it off. So Super Microcomputer received a notification from Nasdaq. Apparently, they weren't keeping up with their homework, specifically filing reports with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. These reports are important because they tell investors how the company is doing. Think of it like a report card for a business. The problem was that Super Microcomputer didn't file their Q2 FY2025 Form 10Q, which is a quarterly report, and they were also late with their FY2024 Form 10K, an annual report, and their Q1 FY2025 Form 10Q. Missing these deadlines means they weren't following Nasdaq's listing rule. It's like missing curfew and getting grounded. But like a student cramming before an exam, Super Microcomputer got everything in order. On February 25, they filed all the missing reports. That means they're now up to date with their reporting duties under the Securities Exchange Act, which are the laws that govern how companies report their financial information. Now let's talk about the next annual meeting. This is when the company gets together with its shareholders, the people who own stock in the company, to discuss important matters and vote on key decisions. The annual meeting is scheduled for June 4. It's going to be a virtual meeting, meaning it will be held online. If you want to vote or even just attend the meeting, you need to be a stockholder of record by April 7. That's the date they'll use to determine who gets to participate. If you're a stockholder and you have ideas or proposals you want to bring up at the meeting, you need to let the company know by March 8. This deadline applies to proposals you want included in the company's proxy materials. Proxy materials are the documents the company sends out to shareholders before the meeting, so they can make informed decisions. Also, if you want to nominate someone to be a director, you also need to get your proposal in by March 8. This is important because it gives the company time to review your proposal and make sure it meets all the requirements. Finally, there's an exhibit included with this report, a press release dated February 26. It's likely that this press release discusses the resolution of the Nasdaq issue and perhaps other company updates. So what's the takeaway here? Super Microcomputer had a bit of a scare with Nasdaq, but they managed to get their act together and file all their overdue reports. They've also set the dates for their next annual meeting so shareholders can mark their calendars. Now let's zoom out and think about the bigger picture. Super Microcomputer makes servers and other computer hardware. They're in a competitive industry going against giants like Dell and HP. Being late with their filings doesn't look good because it makes investors question if the company has internal controls in place. Missing deadlines can erode trust, and that can impact the stock price. However, the fact that they resolved the issue quickly shows they're responsive and can address problems. They're now back in good standing with Nasdaq, but they need to make sure this doesn't happen again. Looking ahead, the company needs to focus on consistent performance and timely reporting. The tech industry moves fast, and companies need to be transparent and reliable to keep investors confident. Super Microcomputer seems to be riding the wave of AI-related demand and has a strong focus on innovation. However, operational efficiency, especially regarding regulatory compliance, needs strengthening. This incident highlights a potential weakness in their internal processes that needs addressing. In conclusion, while Super Microcomputer has shown resilience in rectifying its reporting lapses, it underscores the critical importance of maintaining robust internal controls and ensuring timely compliance with regulatory requirements. This episode serves as a reminder that even in the fast-paced tech industry, fundamental operational discipline is non-negotiable for sustained success. Thanks for watching. If you found this decoder useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate filings. What company should we analyze next? Let us know in the comments below.